So I have just recently started reading my mushroom book finally. So just here's a warning, be prepared for so many mushroom videos. The first one we're going to be talking about is the long Net Stinkhorn mushroom. So this is the long Net Stinkhorn. It is a very, very cool looking mushroom. It gets its name from that net right here. Now, the stinkhorn part comes from the fact that it smells really, really bad. Like, so bad. Despite the poor smell, it is edible and it is used in lots of cuisines in lots of different places. So this mushroom is found in lots of different places, typically warmer and wetter places, but can be found throughout a bunch of areas of Asia, Australia, and North America. So the mushroom doesn't start out with that basket veil shape, it actually grows from the top of it after the mushroom has sprouted. And the lifespan of this mushroom is actually pretty short. Like, this whole process only takes a couple of hours. So the bad smell actually comes from that little brown cap on top, which has these like very specific, very strong chemicals in it and is also very slimy. Those chemicals act to smell on purpose very bad in order to attract flies. Now the flies are there because that brown cap on the top is also where the spores are. So the flies are attracted to the bad smell because they think it's food, they land on the top, they get covered in spores, they fly away and then distribute the spores. Now, while mainly culinary, the most common function of this is just to eat it, there are some medicinal uses of it in treating some diseases, like inflammatory diseases, as well as some more like intestinal issues. Apparently, if you eat this, it makes your stomach ache feel a bit better. None of the medicinal uses have been researched a ton. It's mostly just in like folk medicine, but there is research going on to this to see if it can be confirmed and if any compounds in the mushroom can be isolated and used in medication. Thus far, it's mostly just folk medicine, but there are definitely some like scientific biological basis for medicines coming from this mushroom. But until further research is done, it is mostly just food.